Welcome to this video on how to grow bee balm in your garden. Bee balm is a beautiful and useful herb that can add an interesting touch to your garden. It is also known as monarda plant or bergamot, and it belongs to the mint family. Let's start with when is the right time to plant bee balm. Bee balm is a perennial herb that can tolerate partial shade and requires fertile soil. It is best to plant it in the spring or early summer when the soil is warm enough to support its growth. Next, how often do you need to water bee balm? Bee balm requires a moderate amount of water to grow. It is essential to ensure that the soil remains moist but not wet. Water your plants once or twice a week, and more frequently in hot and dry weather, making sure that the soil is not waterlogged. How much land do you need to grow bee balm? Bee balm can grow up to 60 to 90 centimeters tall, and it is important to give it enough space to thrive. It is best to plant bee balm in clusters or large patches, and the general rule is to leave at least 60 centimeters between the plants. When can you harvest bee balm? Bee balm flowers in midsummer and can be harvested when its leaves and flower buds are fully formed. The best time to harvest is early in the morning, after the dew has evaporated. What are the most common problems you might have when growing bee balm? The most common problem is powdery mildew, which can be prevented by practicing good plant hygiene and avoiding waterlogging. Also, keep an eye out for aphids as well. On which climate can you grow bee balm? Bee balm can grow in most climates but prefers a climate with moderate temperatures, ranging from 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. What is bee balm good for, and what is its most common use case? Bee balm is an excellent herb for attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators to your garden. It is also popular for its medicinal properties, used for treating respiratory infections and digestive issues, and can be used as an aromatic herb in cooking. Is bee balm edible, and how does it taste? Bee balm is edible and has a slightly spicy, minty, and citrusy flavor. You can use the leaves and flowers of the plant in salads, infused water, or as a tea. In conclusion, bee balm is a beautiful and versatile herb, perfect for gardeners who want to add a touch of natural beauty and aroma to their garden. Now that you know how to grow, harvest, and use bee balm, try growing it in your garden, and enjoy its many benefits.